It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. It is hard enough to remember my opinions without also remembering my reason for them. There is always something madness in love, but there is also always some reason in madness. You must have chaos within you to give birth to a dancing star. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions destroyed. He who has a why to live for can bear almost anyhow. In heaven, all the interesting people are missing. There are no facts, only interpretations. The man of knowledge must be able not only to love his enemies, but also to hate his friends. When we are tired, we are attacked by ideas we conquered long ago. The snake which can't cast its skin has to die, as well the minds which are prevented from changing their opinions, they cease to be mind. No one can construct for you the bridge upon which precisely you must cross the stream of life. No one but you yourself alone. I'm not upset that you lied to me. I am upset that from now on I can't believe you. The surest way to corrupt the youth is to instruct him to hold in higher esteem those who think alike than those who think differently. The advantage of a bad memory is that one enjoys several times the same good things for the first time. Thoughts are the shadows of our feelings, always darker, emptier, and simpler. The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who can't fly. There are no beautiful surfaces without a terrible depth. All truly great thoughts are conceived while walking.